Hello friends, it's Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fun Fold Friday. I am featuring the By the Bay 6x6 Specialty Designer Series paper from Stampin' Up and a punch that is called the Double Oval Punch by Stampin' Up. I know a lot of people like to see how I cut my paper down, so and excuse my camera focus going in and out. I need a basic white thick card base that is 9.5 inches long by 4.25 inches wide, scored at 5.5. Set that aside. Bring in the remaining piece. So we're going to score this is going to be cut at 9 inches long and 3.25 inches wide, and we're going to score that at 4.5. Don't worry, I'll have all the information on my blog, and there's going to be a link in the description box below to how you can find this fun fold. So there's a lot of pieces of paper that I cut. So, and I miscut one too. So listen to my voice and not what I do. This piece is 2 inches by 4.125 inch. And then this next piece, so I folded up that card, and this is what I cut wrong. So this DSP is 3 3/4 tall and 4 1/8 wide. You can see I just stuck the little extra pieces in there. No one is going to know. So now this is a piece of Night of Navy cardstock, and that cardstock is size 3 1/4 by 4 1/8. And that's going to get tucked up inside here. It's almost like the DSP, and if you wanted to use the DSP, you could. I chose not to because there's going to be another piece of card on top of this. I don't know exactly what this fun fold is called either. You can tell me what it is in the comments below, or you can title it yourself. So here we are with that little the top flip part of the card, and I put adhesive on the back, and you can, as long as you can close that bottom, you're good to go. All right, so I am using the another piece of the designer series paper. Sorry, I'm stuttering here. And it's going to be 3 1/8 by 4 3/8. The designer series paper for that flip top card. And then I just filled in, I had a little extra piece of card that is 2 inches by 4 1/8. I'm stamping with Night of Navy ink. I can't remember what, and that's Balmy Blue that I cut the scalloped punch, oval punch from. Can't remember where I got that happy birthday from. So, whoops. Sorry. I will figure it out and put it in the description box below. So this goes very nicely. And this portion is kind of like an easel card, except it's not an easel card. It's like an adaptation of an easel card. So this happy birthday is going right there on that bottom part of the card. And then here I'm coming in with the happy birthday to you. And I used the, hang on, I got it right here, Alphabet a la Mode dies. Cannot love these more. They're wonderful. They're tall and skinny. They have a really cool look. It is something that you need to have in your stash. I am coloring with my Night of Navy. First I went full light, then I put the dark on the bottom, and now I'm going to come back in with the dark and really darken up the bottom part of the letters. And then I'm going in with my color lifter, and I am lightening up the very top portion. So it's going to have a really good ombre. You can't really see right now, but you'll see it when I start putting the card together. So I'm removing the release paper. So what I ended up doing with this paper is it's just basic white, and I put the adhesive sheet under it, and then just I cut the alphabet a la mode letters and number. And then that's how I got these to be stickers. Like, how cool is that? So I'm just very lightly tapping these in. I'm going to bring in my ruler, and I'm going to make sure it's nice and straight. And I'm going to move those letters around. So again, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section, or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching. Oh, and I did decorate this card with those enamel sticker icons. And it's more like it's like a nautical scene, so I chose to use the compass. Anyway, that is my card for today. I hope you enjoy it and get inspired and make it yourself. I have all of the dimensions listed again on my blog, and I hope you see me over there. Leave a comment when you're there too. Okay, thanks for joining me. See you next week. Bye for now.